what if I told you that for just $6,789, the price of a used BMW, you could literally fly over every traffic jam for the rest of your life? Well, guys, stop scrolling, because what I'm about to reveal will change everything you thought you knew about transportation. And honestly, it might be the most important video you watch this year. Tesla just dropped the biggest bombshell in automotive history. 3 days ago, Elon Musk stood up at the Giga Texas facility, looked at a room full of investors, and announced something that science fiction writers could only dream about. The Tesla flying car is officially coming in 2026, and I've spent the last 72 hours diving deep into every single specification that will absolutely blow your mind. Now, before you think this is just another concept car that'll never see production, let me stop you right there. This isn't some futuristic fantasy. Tesla has already invested $4.2 billion into this project. They've got working prototypes flying over Austin right now, and production lines are being built as we speak at Giga Texas. Let me break down these absolutely insane specifications for you. We're talking 0 to 60 in 2.1 seconds, and that's both on the ground and in the air. This thing has a 400-mile flight range, 500-mile ground range, takes off vertically from just a 20 by 20 foot space. That's smaller than most people's driveways. And here's the kicker. It has full autopilot for both flying and driving modes. Picture this. You wake up tomorrow morning, walk out to your driveway, get in your Tesla flying car, and instead of sitting in that soul-crushing 2-hour traffic jam, you take off vertically, soar 5,000 feet above all those poor people stuck on the highway, and arrive at work in 20 minutes, feeling like Tony Stark. That's not science fiction anymore. That's 2026. But here's the part that's making millionaires around the world panic buy these things right now, and why my phone hasn't stopped ringing since this announcement. Tesla is only producing 10,000 units in the first production run. And get this, over 75,000 people have joined the waitlist in just the last 72 hours. That means 7.5 people are fighting over every single flying car. And guys, when I tell you this machine is absolutely insane, I mean it's beyond anything we've ever seen. We're talking about 8 electric rotors, producing a combined 2,000 horsepower, a 150 kilowatt-hour battery pack, using Tesla's cutting-edge 4680 cells, emergency parachute deployment system, full weather protection with pressurized cabin, Starlink satellite internet so you can video call while flying, and get this, it's whisper quiet at only 40 decibels. Let me put that in perspective for you. A normal conversation is 60 decibels. This flying car is quieter than you talking to your friend. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Well, here's the reality check. The FAA has already pre-approved Tesla's flight certification. They've got partnerships with air traffic control systems in 12 major cities. And Elon himself has been test flying these things for the past 6 months. But here's what really gets me excited. The charging infrastructure. Tesla's rolling out Supercharger V4 stations that can charge this flying car from 0 to 100% in just 45 minutes. And they're installing them on rooftops of malls, office buildings, and airports. Plus, the car has solar panels built into the roof, so it's literally charging itself while you're at work.